Understanding bold strokes in English language. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, bold strokes. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. Let's unpack its meaning and usage together. Bold strokes typically refers to doing things in a very confident and noticeable way. It's often used to describe actions that are daring, clear, and decisive. The phrase can be applied in various contexts, from art to business strategies. The term, bold strokes, originally comes from the world of painting. Imagine an artist making wide, confident brush strokes on a canvas. These are literal bold strokes. Over time, this term evolved to metaphorically describe actions that are as noticeable and impactful as these broad brush strokes. 1. The new CEO made some bold strokes in her first year, completely revamping the company's strategy. 2. In his latest novel, the author uses bold strokes to create unforgettable characters. 3. To solve the problem, we need to take bold strokes, not just make minor changes. When you use bold strokes in your speech or writing, it shows that you are talking about actions or decisions that are strong and impactful. It's a great phrase to use when you want to emphasize the courage or uniqueness of an action. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of bold strokes. Remember, it's all about being bold, clear, and decisive in your actions. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. See you in our next video.